How to get U.S. green card quickly with EB1A application. The EB1A immigration visa is often the fastest way to get a U.S. green card, and can be processed in as little as 15 days with premium processing. The EB1A immigration category is for people with extraordinary ability in business, science, arts, education, or athletics. For many foreign nationals, the EB1A for aliens with extraordinary ability is an attractive immigration category, because it also allows self-petition without U.S. employers' sponsorship and even a job offer in the United States. No U.S. employer's sponsorship is required for EB1 extraordinary ability petition, thus an alien immigrant can self-petition the EB1A with the uscis. Answer the following 3 questions below to see if you could qualify for an EB1 extraordinary ability immigrant visa. A. Do you have extraordinary ability in business, science, arts, education, or athletics? B. Do you have sustained national or international acclaim in your field? C. Are you coming to the United States to work in your area of extraordinary ability? If you answered yes to all of the questions above, you may meet the requirements for an EB1 extraordinary ability green card. A worker with extraordinary ability in the sciences, arts, education, business, or athletics, may qualify for U.S. green card as an EB1 priority worker. The achievements must have been publicly recognized, and resulted in a period of sustained national or international acclaim. This often involves showing that the foreign national is a widely acknowledged leader in the particular science, artistic, educational, business, or athletic field. No job offer in United States is needed in the EB1A category, if the foreign national will continue working in the field of expertise after arriving in the United States. However, if the alien applicant has received a job offer from a U.S. employer, that employer can help with the EB1 green card application by filing the required initial application with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, on Form I-140. To qualify for the EB1A visa, you must demonstrate extraordinary ability in a field such as science, arts, education, business, or athletics. You can qualify by meeting at least 3 of the following criteria. 1. Receiving a major award in your field. 2. Being a member of a field association that recognizes outstanding achievement. 3. Having published material in professional publications or major media. 4. Having judged the work of others in your field. 5. Having made original contributions to your field. 6. Having served in a leading role for a distinguished organization. 7. Having a high salary or other high remuneration. A Form I-140 application filed for an alien immigrant with extraordinary ability must demonstrate that the alien applicant has a level of expertise that the alien has risen to the top of the field. Evidence must be submitted to support a Form I-140 application for an alien of extraordinary ability. An EB1 extraordinary ability application must be accompanied by initial evidence such as A. The alien applicant has sustained national or international acclaim. B. The alien applicant's achievements have been recognized in the field of expertise. Many new immigrants may wonder whether they could qualify for the EB1A immigration visa classification. The common misunderstanding could be that the EB1 extraordinary ability immigrant visa application is very hard to get approval. Therefore, many people with extraordinary ability may not normally apply for green card in this EB1A category. Due to the immigrant visa number retrogression for some countries, such as India and China, the alien applicants from these countries need to wait for years to get U.S. green card application approval in EB2 and EB3 categories. Many new immigrants are looking for other options. The EB1A category is such an option for those aliens with extraordinary ability who could qualify. Because the EB1A category is in the first preference, and the immigrant visas are often immediately available. Normally, people may expect the applicants with extraordinary ability to have PhD degrees, but the uscis regulations do not require a doctorate degree for the EB1A beneficiary. The following are some issues to know about the EB1A green card application. 1. Processing time. The EB1A visa typically has a waiting time of around 4 to 6 months. The premium processing can get it done in 15 days, with premium processing fee. 2. Fewer applicants. The EB1A visa has fewer applicants than other visas, so there are fewer backlogs. 3. No job offer required. Unlike other visas, the EB1A does not require a job offer or employer sponsorship. Thank you for watching the video. We offer high-quality complete do-it-yourself packages for U.S. green card application and working visa application, and we provide many samples of reference letters, and samples of petition cover letters for U.S. immigration and green card application, and we also let you know the U.S. green card application process and how to get your green card quickly. If you want to apply for a U.S. green card, our website greencardapply.com and complete do-it-yourself packages can help you get green card quickly, even without an U.S. employer sponsorship, and bypass the labor certification process. I hope the audience will give us a thumbs up, and subscribe our YouTube channel, to let the knowledge of U.S. green card application spread to more immigrants, and let YouTube's algorithm recommends our videos to more viewers. For further and detailed information of U.S. green card application, please visit our website greencardapply.com. Thank you.